Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we are going to continue with our activities. In this time we are on page 16 and we are going to continue with speaking, talking about literary experiences. So, in this picture I can see James and Rachel at the bookstore. Listen to the first part of their conversation and complete the dialogue. So in this part, we're going to listen and then you're going to complete the activity.
Unit 1, Track 13, Speaking, Activity 1.
Hi, Rachel. Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you too. Did you come to buy the book for the literature project too?
No, not really. I got a book for my birthday, but I read the summary on the back cover and didn't like it. It's not the kind of genre I like, so I was thinking of exchanging it for another one.
What did you have in mind?
Nothing in particular. What do you recommend?
Well, I was having a look at the new Jojo Moyes book when you arrived. I was really looking forward to reading it.
Okay class, this was the first part of the reading activity. So, let's see. Hi Rachel, good to see you. Hi, good to see you too. And what is here? What is here? Yes. Did you? What else? Yes. Did you? Did you come to buy the book for the literature project too? No, not really. I got, I got a book from my birthday, for my birthday, sorry. But, mhm, but, what continues class? Yes, but I read. Or in the past, but I read. Okay, this is here. Excuse me. Okay, once again. But I read, no? But I read. No, I read. Okay, this is the activity. The summary on the back cover and didn't like it. Yes, you're right. Didn't like it. Perfect. It's not the kind of genre I like. So I was thinking. Perfect. I was thinking. I was thinking of exchanging it for another one. What did you think? Sorry, what did you have in mind? Exactly. What did you have in mind? Nothing in particular. What do you recommend? Well, I I was having a look at the new Jojo's Moyes book. When you arrive, exactly, what happened? I was really, I was really looking, looking forward to read it. Yes, you are right. No, you are right. This is here. Okay, and okay. Now listen, this is the correct conversation. Hi. Hi Rachel, good to see you. Hi, good to see you too. Did you come to buy the book for the literature project too? No, not really. I got a book for my birthday, but I read the summary on the back cover and didn't like it. It's not a kind of genre I like, so I was looking of exchanging it for another one. What do you have in mind? Nothing in particular. What do you recommend? Well, I was I was having a look at a new Jojo Mo's book when you arrived. I was really looking forward reading it. No, I was looking forward to reading it. Okay, class, this is the first part of this conversation. Okay, now we continue. Listen to the second part of the conversation. What book did James decide to get? So, in this moment, we're going to listen to the second part of the conversation, and you have to tell me what book did James decided to get. Okay? Let's see.
Unit 1, Track 14, Speaking. Activity 2.
I simply love romantic novels. I read a brilliant one a couple of months ago.
To be honest, I think they're a bit boring. I was reading one too, but I never finished it. I prefer adventure stories to romantic novels. The last one I read was brilliant.
Yeah, they can be exciting too. What about crime stories?
If you ask me, they're all the same. At least the ones I had to read for school weren't very good.
I see. What about science fiction? What do you think of it?
Science fiction? I was checking some on the shelves when I saw you, but didn't really like any.
Well, what about biographies or autobiographies?
Great idea! A friend actually suggested this autobiography by the athlete Usain Bolt. I reckon it is what I'm going to get.
Okay, class. So, there is only one question. What book did James decide to get? Aha. So, this is the question, class. No? What book did James decide to get? Ideas? No? Usain Bolt's autobiography? Yes, you're right. Usain Bolt also by also okay, excuse me. Usain Bolt also biography, no? Biography. Biography. Okay, that's the idea. But I'm getting crazy with this. Now it's okay. Usain Bolt autobiography. This is the answer. So, what book did James? So this guy is James. Okay, this one. Decided to get Usain Bolt autobiography. Okay, let's see. Let's continue in this part. In this part, it says functional language, asking and giving opinions. So this could be useful when you want to ask or give opinions. For example, simply love. I simply love. To be honest, I think I prefer to. What about? If you ask me, no, in this case, remember asking or giving opinions. You can use it in your activity. Now, here's a speaking task. Prepare a dialogue between you and your friend. So you can take this model. No? Hi Rachel, good to see you. You can replace this for your names. And also change the information. For example, here says, prepare a dialogue between you and your friend. Step 1. Think about these genres. Did you like them? Why or why not? Science fiction, crime, and romance. So the first idea is to choose one of them. Second step, think about which type of book you want to ask your friend about. For example, what do you think of comics? Do you like comics? Don't you agree that crime stories are really interesting? It depends on you. Let's continue. Think about how you would respond. Try to use different adjectives. I reckon they're really boring. I prefer fantasy stories. If you ask me, no, look at this. If you ask me, they're brilliant, fantastic, exciting, or maybe terrifying and amazing. Okay, terrifying and amazing. Work 3 or step 3. Work in pairs and practice your dialogue. So the idea is to prepare a dialogue, no? So that you can practice and finally you can tell the teacher. Okay, you can tell the teacher. Are you ready for your dialogue? Yes? Okay. If that is good, you can do it. Excuse me, my dog is barking. I'm so sorry, okay? Now let's continue with the next activity. In this activity, we have culture. Famous Nigerian writers. So here I have this girl from uh, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, 1977. Otosiri Obiang, 1994. And Chinua Achebe, 1930 2013. So, what are you going to do in this moment? Easy. First of all, we are going to listen to these mini biographies, okay? And then you are going to answer those questions. There are three. Which author has been popular for over 50 years? Which letter B? Which author has written about feminism? Letter C. Which author writes for online platforms? So let's listen, please.
Unit 1, Track 15. Activity 1.
Famous Nigerian writers.
Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, born in 1977. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is a Nigerian novelist, short story, and nonfiction writer. Her books have been translated into over 30 languages. Her most famous works include her first novel, Purple Hibiscus, Half of a Yellow Sun, Americana, the short story collection The Thing Around Your Neck, and the essay We Should All Be Feminists.
Adosirizi Obiang, born in 1994. Adosirizi Obiang is a writer, literary journalist, and blogger. He is also the editor of the African literary culture website Brittle Paper, which has published the works of many Nigerian authors. He has written a collection of short stories called You Sing of a Longing and has been nominated for several literary prizes.
Chinua Achebe, born in 1930, died in 2013. Chinua Achebe was a Nigerian novelist, poet, professor, and critic. His first novel, Things Fall Apart, was published in 1958 and is still one of the most popular books in African literature. It was translated into more than 45 languages and sold over 10 million copies all over the world. Some of his other books include No Longer at Ease, Arrow of God, and A Man of the People.
Okay, class. This was the reading activity for those. So you can read once again. You can stop the video. You can pause the video, sorry, and you can read. Now here you can pause the video once again, continue reading, and finally this part. So the idea is to answer those questions. Which author has been popular for over 50 years old. That is very easy. Now look at her, look at him, and at him. That is very easy. Which author has written about feminism and which author writes for online platforms? Okay? Perfect. So next class I'm going to ask those questions. Have you ever heard of any of these authors? Have you read any of their books? So have you ever heard about Chimamanda Ngozi or Otozirise Obiang? I'm sorry, I don't know exactly those names, okay? Or Chinua Achebe? Yes? Okay? Or no? Maybe? Who are your favorite authors? So, number 3 talks about your favorite author. For example, we have Peruvian writers like Cesar Vallejo, Mario Vargas Llosa, and many others. There are international authors. So the question is, who's your favorite authors? Okay, make a list. You can make a list of your favorite authors and tell me in class. Okay, thank you so much.